Good morning, everyone. Today, I want to talk about something on almost everyone's mind, but often for the wrong reasons: weight loss. We usually picture running until we collapse or eating nothing but boiled vegetables. But here's the truth: weight loss isn't about punishing your body, it's about respecting it. So many of us look for a shortcut, hoping to lose in 10 days what took 10 years to gain. The reality is there's no magic pill. The real secret is simple science. It's 80% diet and only 20% exercise. You just can't outrun a bad diet. 2 hours in the gym means nothing if you go home to processed junk food. So how do we start? Small. Take the stairs instead of the elevator. Drink more water. Swap that packet of chips for a piece of fruit. And most importantly, be patient. The scale won't always move, and you'll have days you want to give up. That's normal. The goal isn't perfection, it's consistency. Treat your body like a temple, not a trash can. Don't lose weight because you hate how you look. Do it because you love your body enough to make it healthy. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips.